Hey guys,
it's Keith
and Nesha B.
And today we are here with a makeup haul because we just blew a bag. It's supporting on we stop.
Correct. What you talking about?
No, we did a little shopping, so we just wanted to show you guys what we got. So if you'd like to see what we purchased, then definitely stay tuned.
Okay, so I'm gonna start off with some foundation. I have the Sephora Fonce de Tint Perfection 10-hour wear protection foundation.
You different.
Here they go with these long names. I'm in the color Fonce Deep 55. Look at me, French. Okay. This foundation retails for $20. You get 0.84 fluid ounces. I feel like that's a good amount for $20, and you only need 2 pumps at the most for your whole face for a full coverage look. If you don't want to spend that Lancome money, I would say get Sephora's foundation. Then I got Superstay by Maybelline. This has been everywhere on YouTube. If you don't live under a rock, you've seen this foundation. I'm in the color Warm Coconut. I just took a wild guess because the great auntie Jackie Ina is Warm Coconut. So I got Warm Coconut. This retails for about $10 or $12. And Ulta is $12, but you go to the CVS, it's $10.99. So save it $2. And it's full coverage. That's what I have on today. It does dry a little red, even though this is the yellow version of coconut. It still dries with a reddish tint to it. So I would say you can co-balance that with a yellow powder, or I don't know.
Alright, so my foundation that I purchased is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer.
Here we go. 2 sentences.
Yeah. Let me go ahead and take it out the box. I've heard a lot of good things about it. And the color fits me well. It looks kind of orange in the bottle, but when I apply it to my face, it fits my skin color really well. The coverage is bomb. I will say it's one of the heavier foundations that I own because I normally do lightweight. So I feel like this is going to be like for events when I'm out for a long time. So, but yeah, I really love the coverage. It's not super heavy. It blends out really well. Yeah, I really like it. So if you're in the market for another full coverage foundation, definitely consider this. Oh yeah, I'm sorry you guys. It's $28, so that's not bad for a Clinique. I don't know why I thought it would be more expensive.
It's like $28.
$28. Cheaper than Fenty.
That's wow. You need a lot. You don't need a little bit.
Yeah, a little goes a long way. Like you don't need this is the applicator here. I like this type of applicator. You just apply it right to your face and spread it out. So if you're a beauty blender girl, you don't have to use a brush to, brush it out before applying your sponge. So yeah, this is my first purchase.
Okay, next I have the Gotcha Covered. In our latest video, I told you about the Gotcha Covered concealer, and it got you covered. I got the color Sand. I wanted more of a highlighted look. This reminds me of Toffee or Fine. I always get those two mixed up. I would say get this if you want a more full coverage MUA look. If you know what I'm trying to say, Instagram look. That's the word I'm looking for. If you want a more Instagram look, it's waterproof, so this thing is not going anywhere, and it's very thick. Then I got the Holy Grail for eyebrows. It's the Micro Brow Pencil from NYX in the color Ebony. This reminds me of the Anastasia Brow Definer. I think that's what it's called. It's a cheaper version of it, I would say. I feel like you get the same look for a fraction of the price, so I would tell you to get the Brow Definer.
Okay, next on my purchase list is a palette. Y'all know I love an eyeshadow palette. And this one has been long overdue. It's the Morphe 3502 palette. It was only, I want to say, $23. But these are all of the shades. I really wanted it for this red shade and this orange shimmer shade. The lights is kind of washing it out. But a lot of people said they didn't really want this palette because the shades are so similar, like some of the matte shades. But I think it's really good, especially if you're like on the darker side. Not even the darker side, but if you're tan to dark, it gives you a lot of options for transition shades. So, and also I use a lot of these shimmer shades as highlights or bronzers.
Really?
So yeah. And if you guys don't know, I don't really buy brow products. I always use eyeshadow. So I have a shade here. So it's just like a one-stop shop.
I didn't even know that.
You didn't know that? The only brow thing I bought is that NYX eyebrow gel.
Really?
Yeah.
I feel like this is a good palette for people who just starting out with makeup.
Exactly.
Because you get a whole lot of shades, and you're not going to hit pan on this anytime soon.
Oh yeah, let me go ahead and do a swatch. The names came on like a little sheet, but I no longer have the sheet, so. But these are a couple of swatches. This is a matte red, the orange shimmer shade, and another red. So yeah, they're really creamy. Well, not super creamy, but they're really good. They're not too chalky. So I would definitely purchase it. And it's only $23.
Right.
Like, you can't beat it.
So my next few items are going to be blending tools. So I have the body blender. You need this. If you don't buy anything else to blend out your foundation, get you a Real Techniques body blender. And then I got two of the Miracle Complexion Sponge. You've seen this everywhere. It's not equivalent to the Beauty Blender, but it still gets the job done.
It'll get you right.
Yeah. And make sure you wet them.
And clean them.
Oh yeah, clean them.
All right, next I have a lipstick. It's the NYX Liquid Suede. I love these lippies by NYX. And I got it on an orange shade because I've been feeling bright lips lately, and spring and summer is coming up, and I just needed an orange. Like, I don't know what it is about me and orange lately, but I'll go ahead and swatch it. Me and my swatches is tweaking today. But as you can see, it's really bright and it dries down matte. So yeah, I can't wait to use it. And I think these are like $8, I want to say, but they last you a while, like, because I know I bought some like probably 2 years ago and I still have them. So yeah, definitely get you some NYX Liquid Suede.
My last items are brushes. I wanted to revamp my makeup, so I got all new tools, mainly new makeup, because I was tired of the old stuff. I got the BH Cosmetics Sculpt and Blend, the second set and the third set. I feel like these are the two sets that I would use the most. The first one had a lot of eye brushes, and I don't really do eye makeup, so I didn't think I needed that.
That'd be a great gift from someone.
It might be, but these were on sale at the time when I brought them. They were on original price, okay? They was having a 34% sell off, so I got 2 brush sets for the price of $30. And you know BH Cosmetics is really, really good. So in the set number 2, it comes with a tapered blending brush. I don't know if I'm really going to use this brush, but this is a nose contour brush.
That is so dope.
Right.
Like, you can get right up in there.
This comes with a taper contour brush. I feel like this will be good for highlight. Ooh, beaming.
Okay.
I feel like that'll be great for highlight. This can be for sweeping away your powder under your eye or patting it in. This is a precision blush brush. Oh, so this is for blush. I don't wear blush. And then in the Sculpt and Blend number 3, it comes with a blending definer brush.
Ooh,
So this is a highlighting brush. Let me see.
Basically, like, highlighting brushes is just like a blending brush for your eye, but bigger and less dense.
And it like flows it out. Okay, blows it out more, so it won't be a straight line of highlight. I've got 20 brushes for the price of $30, so that's roughly like $2 per brush. If I did my math correctly, don't check me on that. And they're really good quality. The handle is very sturdy. There's no hair coming out of the brush. I feel like a hair review. There's no hair coming out of the brush because a lot of brushes shed. And you think, oh, it's because I haven't used the brush yet. That's the reason why it's shedding. No, baby, it is not a good brush. Okay? Trust me, I've had my shares of bad brushes.
All right, so I have the Badescu spray. And it's the lavender one. A lot of people, you know, are familiar with the rose water and the green tea. Cucumber, yeah. So I just wanted to try this one out. It works just as good as the other ones, and it has like a lavender scent. So if you love lavender, definitely get this. And my last purchase is some lashes, and I got this at TJ Maxx, and these are really wispy. I love a wispy lash. These look dramatic in the pack, but these are like some of the most natural lashes that you could put on. So yes, and they were only $7.99.
That's a steal because Ardell be trying to tax you $12. Like, sis, I know you're good, but you're bugging. But I'm gonna buy you.
So yeah, don't sleep on TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Like, they be having little stuff like this for the low. And this, of course, was only like $5 in the aisle of Ulta. You know how they have the travel size items. So yeah. All right, so that pretty much wraps up our video. Thanks for tuning in once again. Spring is coming up, so you know we about to drop some heats, okay? So make sure you like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss a beat.
Let us know in the comment section what you would like to see from us. You want to see some hair reviews, how to dye hair, how to put outfits together for the school if you're in college, anything.
Oh yeah, we definitely gonna have some hauls coming, like some clothing hauls, some lookbooks. Like I said, the spring is coming and we are ready. Ready. Okay. And I might be getting some weaves soon.
Oh.
So maybe a hair. Who knows?
Who knows? The options are endless with Kyandneshab.
So make sure you're subscribed, hunty.
Come back for more, baby.
All
right, bye y'all.
When you do swatches,
I'm sorry. Bye y'all.